This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do rainbow LED lights. We will cover everything from choosing the right lights to setting them up and creating stunning color displays. You will learn about different types of LED products, essential installation steps, and how to program dynamic rainbow patterns. Get ready to transform your space with vibrant, customizable lighting in just a few simple steps. When selecting your LED lights, prioritize addressable strips if you want true, flowing rainbow effects. These allow each individual LED to display a different color, creating dynamic patterns. Non-addressable strips will change color uniformly. Also, remember to measure your space carefully and ensure your power supply provides the correct voltage and sufficient wattage for the total length of your chosen lights. Installing your rainbow LED lights is straightforward. First, clean the surface where you plan to attach the strip to ensure strong adhesion. Next, connect the LED strip to its controller, paying close attention to the pin alignment. Then, plug the controller into the power supply, and finally, connect the power supply to an electrical outlet. For smart lights, download the corresponding app and follow the pairing instructions. Now for the fun part, creating those beautiful rainbow effects. Most controllers and apps offer several pre-programmed rainbow modes. Experiment with these, adjusting the speed and brightness to your liking. Many systems also allow you to create custom color sequences, giving you complete control over the transitions. Consider placing your lights behind furniture or along edges to create a soft, ambient glow that truly enhances your space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.